Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see my holistic beliefs in skincare and what I or my master estheticians can do for you. If you're just tuning in and if you've never been here before, we've been getting a lot of subscribers and I'm so grateful. Please subscribe, please like these videos, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have been a master esthetician for over 32 years. I am 54, almost 55 years old. I'm letting my hair go gray, so if you notice a gray flying away, that's just who I am. I have no foundation, no concealer, not even blush on. Only my eyes are done and a little lip gloss, so you won't see me with a lot of makeup on. I'm just going to show you what real skin looks like and how to care for it and age gracefully, but also fight it every step of the way. A few people have asked me about body scrubs, and I've showed you before that I love one by Fiji. It's actually made in Fiji, and I just love this body scrub. But I wanted to show you one that you could make at home. Now, I'm not really a do-it-yourself person. I don't like the DIY products in skincare. Some I think can be really fantastic, like I've seen some different body oils, maybe a mask. I've showed you masks with turmeric and manuka honey, but I really wouldn't want you to leave that in the refrigerator for more than 2 days. But really, skincare, when it is manufactured, it's done in a very sterile and clean environment. In fact, that's where ours is done. I've actually seen it. And it's very important that everything is clean from the bottles to the way it's being put in. So be mindful when I show you these things. I'm not exactly telling you how to make cleanser at home. Okay, so this is a body scrub, and it's something that I used to make myself all the time until I found the Fiji, but a few people asked if there was something that they could use at home. So here you go. I use brown sugar, extra virgin olive oil, I love extra virgin, and a little bit of vanilla, and that's just for smell. You don't have to use the vanilla, but that's what I use. I take a little bit of the brown sugar, and I forgot to get myself a little spoon, and I'll just pour it into a little cup or a bowl, whatever you'd like to do, and you can just see that there's just a little bit in there. And then I'll add, you know what, I probably should use the olive oil pour. I'll just add a little bit of olive oil. And you can work that around with your finger or a spoon. Now, if you want a little bit of a vanilla smell, I just love vanilla, coconut, gosh, I'm trying to think of other scents that I just love. I just love those smells. You can add a little bit of vanilla. And you'll just take the body scrub, and I'm actually going to show it to you on one of my hands. I'll show it right over here. And you're just going to work it around your body. And the beauty of the brown sugar is that it is actually very gentle. It doesn't over exfoliate your skin. You can do it everywhere. I'll go up my arm a little bit. And the olive oil has squalene in it, which is, olive oil in itself is an amazing antioxidant, or food for your skin, food for your body. And the squalene is an incredible antioxidant as well. It's very anti-aging. It helps with all the free radicals that our skin has been pounded with, and it really changes your skin. In fact, a few of you have asked me if you have any irritation. I think someone said they did their baking soda and they got some irritation down here. Now, I'm not sure if they shaved afterwards and it was irritated. Maybe they rubbed a little hard. You can't really do that with baking soda, but I suppose you could. Maybe you put foundation on afterwards. Maybe you got some sun. But I love Vaseline brand Vaseline because they actually have a patent to clean all the petroleum naturally out of the product. It's a very clean Vaseline, and I love it. Many doctors love it, holistic practitioners. But I will also go into the kitchen, take a little bit of olive oil, pour it in the palm of my hand, and just massage it on my face. So olive oil is a wonderful antioxidant, and it's great for the skin. In fact, I think one of my followers lives in Italy or France and has an olive tree Farm or Olive Oil Farm, something like that. And he said they use it for everything, and it's so incredibly healing. So you'll just rinse it around or wash it around, scrub it around, get all over. It doesn't burn, it doesn't sting. In fact, I never recommend using a salt scrub. Always, even if it says sugar on it, look at the ingredients, make sure that there's no salt in it. And the beauty of this is that you do have something that is incredibly natural, and you don't have to worry about a ton of additives. Now, you do have to put things in products to make sure that they stay stable. You've heard me mention things like phenoxyethanol. Some companies use radish root. We have found that that hasn't balanced it enough, and after a couple days, there's actually fungus or bacteria in our products, so be mindful. But really, the beauty of a nice sugar scrub is there's not a lot of ingredients in it, and they can work wonders. So I've exfoliated my arm. You can probably just see the scrub around it. This is the exfoliator. This is the scrub. This is the arm that isn't done. I'm really fortunate. I don't have a lot of brown spots on my arms. I'm almost 55. I don't really have crepiness because I exfoliate my skin daily. I'm not real rough with it, but if any of you are new or if you've been here for a while, you know I use a body brush with a body wash every single time I take a shower. Now, if you come in close, I mean, that's actually amazing. I'm like, okay, as soon as we're done, I'm gonna do the rest of my body. It is incredible how good this arm looks, even in comparison to this. I didn't put any lotion here this morning, and I actually tried not to body brush it so that you could see any old skin or flakiness that typically comes up during the night. That's what happens with our skin. It looks great. I'll kind of do this too. So it'd be the top arm versus the lower arm. Hopefully you can see that. So that is a really simple way to make an at-home body scrub. I hope that this is what you were looking for, and I hope you learned something new about your skin and how taking care of every inch of your body, every part of your skin, means that your skin is going to be healthy and it is going to reward you as you age, just like taking care of your body and the health of your body. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it resonated with you. Again, please subscribe. Please take a minute to like, and I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.